Hi guys, I am going to be walking you through how to style your hair with a 3-barrel crimper today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to section off the top row of my 2-row Natural Beauty Rose hair extensions. I'm going to clip up that top row and then I'm going to get that out of the way so I can start crimping the bottom row. So here you can see that I have the bottom row all sectioned out on both sides, and now I'm going to grab my iron that is 3-barrel, and I actually got this from Sally's Beauty Supply probably like 7 years ago. So I'm going to go ahead and start crimping the first section of the bottom row here. So what I like to do next is I will take the first section of my hair above in front of my ears, and I'll go ahead and crimp that all the way down to the end, and then I'll take my next section and I will actually still heat up my hair strand, and then I'll start from the very top and I'll go ahead and crimp where the last section of my crimp left off, and I'll do that all the way down until I reach the bottom. And then when I get to the bottom there, I actually still leave an inch out because I like my ends straight like you heard me in my last video. So I actually leave the ends out, and then I do that all the way through this entire row. Okay, so we are down to the last section on the bottom row, and I wanted to show you guys in real time how long I held each when I clamped it down, how long I held it there for. So the very first one is going to be a little bit longer, but then after that I just kind of do a little tapping motion and I just connect it from my last one, for my last clamp I mean, and then I just hold it for probably about like 5 seconds to 10 seconds, no longer than that, and then I do that all the way down at the end of the hair. Okay, so the bottom row is done, and what I like to do next is I section off the top row, let everything down, and then I'll take my bang section and I'll do like a triangle and I'll clip that up and out of the way. Typically when I use a 3-barrel crimper, my bangs tend to get a little crazy, so I like to clip those out of the way and deal with those last. Okay, so we are now on the top row here, and what I like to do is I like to crimp like normal, except for my real hair, I crimp it all the way down, even on the ends, so I don't leave those straight for my real hair, but for my extension hair, I will let those be straight. The reason being is because your extension hair goes all the way down, because I have 22 inches, and my real hair does not go all the way down, so it has to blend in. I can't just have weird straight pieces hanging out in the middle of my hair. Here's the final result for a crimped styled look. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.